Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark from video using CapCut. So there are two methods that you can do on CapCut to remove watermark. The first one is that you can just zoom in the clip or adjust the scale like this. Just zoom it in like this until the watermark is no longer seen on the video like this. That's the first method, and the second method is that you can just copy and paste the clip and then use masking. So you can just click on a clip and duplicate it. Tap on the duplicate button and make one of the clip as overlay. So hit on the overlay button, and now you can just apply a blur effect. So go to effect, video effects, and hit on the blur. You can find it on the lens category. Here I've already saved the blur, so I'm going to just add it. You can adjust the duration for all of the clips. And now you need to click on object and make sure it applies to the overlay. Click on a check icon, and now find the masking. So go to or click on the overlay and then find a mask. Then here I'm going to just use the rectangle one and adjust the position on the watermark, and also don't forget to adjust the size just like this. And after that, you can adjust the masking to make it smoother. You can also adjust the size in here. You can click on a check icon after that, and now the watermark will be gone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.